Once upon a time, in a lush, green land where dinosaurs roamed and rivers sparkled under the sun, there was a great friendship between Dino the dinosaur and Croco the crocodile. Dino was a massive, gentle giant with bright green scales and a long, swishy tail. He loved to roam the meadows, munching on delicious plants and enjoying the sunshine. Croco, on the other hand, was a sleek, clever crocodile with shiny emerald green scales and a mischievous smile. He loved to glide through the river and bask on the riverbank. One sunny day, Dino and Croco were playing by the river when they heard some cries for help. They followed the sound and found a little bird stuck in a tangled mess of vines. The bird was chirping anxiously, trying to free itself. "Oh no, we have to help," said Dino, his eyes wide with concern. "Yes, but how?" Croco asked, looking at the tangled vines. Dino thought for a moment. With his strong tail and big feet, he could try to pull the vines apart, but he didn't want to hurt the little bird. Croco, with his sharp eyes and nimble movements, suggested, "Maybe I can use my claws to carefully cut the vines." Dino agreed, and Croco used his claws with great care to snip the vines, freeing the little bird. The bird fluttered its wings and chirped gratefully. As they watched the bird fly away happily, Croco said, "We make a great team, don't we?" Dino nodded, smiling. "Yes, we do, and it's important to use our strengths to help others." Croco thought for a moment and then said, "You know, Dino, I sometimes think that being small and quick is better than being big and strong. But today, I learned that we both have special skills that are equally important." Dino smiled and replied, "That's true. Every creature has its own unique strengths. What's important is how we use them to make the world a better place." The two friends continued their day, playing and laughing together. They knew that by using their different strengths in harmony, they could achieve wonderful things and help others along the way. Moral of the story: everyone has unique strengths and abilities. By recognizing and valuing each other's differences, we can work together to achieve great things and make a positive impact on the world.